itachude moko motisi ni Sangwenya maosi ke bathgi kendo luwogi. Mbadi wacho ni mano en yor hinyo chumi. Mbadi ne lose nyim komiti mar bura mar omenda. Okoni report nyiso ni governor achiel chiegni iluwo bang'e gi Sangwenya 100 ka jaod bura iluwogi ma ok tin ne 10.
We have taken very able hands in this country, and it begins with all of us. I want to ask all of us as leaders to reduce these people. I think it's what Masara was calling Sangwenya. You find very able people who should go to their farms and produce. They are following a governor, 100 of them. They are following an MP, 10. They are following MCA, 5. And they are on salary. Doing nothing, kazi yao ni kukos chaos in functions. And we pay them handsomely. And we know them, and we don't want to talk about it. And we expect this economy can sustain that. It will not. This economy will collapse under the weight of our mismanagement and governance challenges. So we need to be very, so to answer through Chairman Honorable Kainan, you are the people's, you know you have a bigger voice now than me.